Hello, everyone, and thanks so much for taking a moment of your day to come to this broadcast where you will learn how to use to-do list. So I utilize to-do list because it's a really simple and easy to use tool where you can give access to anyone to update a to-do list. That's essentially what it is. What it's called is what it is. So if you have been working with me for a little while now, you've probably received an invite to edit your to-do list. So I use to-do list to kind of just keep everything in order, one central place. You can attach links. You can do all that good stuff within to-do list, and it's free for you and I. So it's a great platform to use. So I'm going to show you guys how to get into it in just a moment. So what I did was I sent myself a list to my other email address, so you can kind of see exactly what it looks like here. So if you've received a notification from me, then you'll go ahead and you'll click on the notification. So it'll say like Jaw Research Institute on to-do list. So it'll say, oh, you've received, added you, Jaw, which is me, added you to a project on to-do list. So you say, okay, cool. So you accept this invitation. And what it'll do is it'll open up a page for you. So within this page, what you can do is just sign up with your Google account, or you can place your name and create a password for this. What I'm going to do is just sign up with Google account. All right, so it's going to say, okay, do you want to allow? So I'll allow. So you have to make sure that you're signed in, of course. And then it'll say, let's go. So when you hit let's go, it'll ask you, make to-do list yours, pick your own things. So you can pick whichever color you want. So for the purpose of this particular tutorial, what I'll do is I will pick black because I like black. So we'll click black, and then it'll send a notification to me letting me know that you accepted it. So I'll like say, okay, cool, you've accepted it. So say, okay, what's one thing you want to get done today, right? So they want you to put in something, but you don't have to. What you can do is just go up to the top here and skip step. So here's another one here. It's going to say, what's one thing you want to do every day? And you can say, I don't want to do anything. I just want to get to it. Jessica sent me. So skip step, skip step. It'll be right up here in the corner. They'll say, you're all set. Do you want to subscribe? You can say, no, thank you. So click on finish. So here it'll have the list. So where your list will show up is your list will show up here. So I usually coin them as team, whatever your last name is. So you could put team Jessica, team you, whatever your last name is, or whatever your first name is. I'll either do first or last name. So you click here, and then you'll have access to all of the list here. So this is for me, my list. I don't mind sharing this with you. It's totally fine. Of my goals that I have outlined for myself. So I spelled webinar wrong, so probably I need to fix that. Let's go ahead and fix that. I have ADHD brain, so sometimes I'm like thinking so fast that my words can't catch up with my brain. So don't worry. So don't trip. So here it is, Jaw Research Institute. This is the list. This is what you can do with it. I'm going to show you a couple of different things, and then we'll go ahead and I'll let you guys have at it. So here is different tasks that you can take. So when you do it, you can go ahead and click there, and then I'll know that you've completed it, right? And if you want to undo it, just click undo. Here you can assign tasks. So let's say you have a virtual assistant and you want to assign a task to. You say, oh, Jessica told me to let's see, what's one we can, create an email drip campaign. Well, you know what? I don't have time to do that. I'm going to give that to my virtual assistant. So you can go here, you can type in your virtual assistant's name and add her on here. You know what? Actually, you'd have to go here. So I apologize. So you go here and you share the task list with them and put them into the task list, and then you would be able to share it here and assign it to them. So you go here and just share the list with them, and then you can assign as needed. So you can actually just go through the list and assign. So let's say you want to schedule this task. So you're like, okay, I'm going to give myself a deadline to do this by. You can schedule a task here. You can make it for today, tomorrow, for next week. You can set priorities on it. You can set reminders. So this will remind you and send you a reminder email when you're getting close to the date. You can remove different tasks from the list, from the history here. Also within this, let's say you want to leave a comment. So every time you click on a particular task, or you highlight, I should say, a particular task, you can go here and make a comment. So for here, this particular task here, I have record content for the course. So here I can put, I will do this Friday. So if you've done this, I will be able to see it here and I'll go, okay, they're going to do it Friday. And you just add comment and it will alert me if you sign it up to be alerted. So if you like it to alert me, you can click here. All of this is self-explanatory. If you want to record something, we'd have to upgrade, I guess. So you'd have to upgrade if you want to record something. But I believe it, yeah, it lets you attach documents. So let's say you wanted to attach a document to it. You can go to computer and go here and find, oh, you actually have to pay for that too. But you know what I've been doing is going in here, and then just putting the link in here. So let's say it's a Google Doc. So let's say I wanted to go grab one of my Google Docs here. So I'll go here, go to my docs, and I just go in and let's say I want to share the video script doc with you. So I go in here, grab the link for this, which is here. I grab the link for this, copy and paste, go back into our to-do list here, and then I just plug it in here. That's how you get around that whole thing. Plug it in here, and then you add comment. So that way I have access to the document. You can also share it within Google Docs and just place my email address in and it will share directly to me. So, I mean, that's another way around it. But let's say you want to just keep it all in one central place. Then you can share here. As you see, it gives you a little preview of the document and you're done. So this is how you can do it. So now, along with this, what I'd like you to do is to go in and make your own project. So we have a project that we share here, some different tips and some recommendations that I suggest you take. But what I'd like you to do is also go to add project and then create your own little list. So your own list of accomplishments of goals you want to get to, different things that you want to do. So different tasks that you want to take care of and goals you want to hit. So go through and do that. So let's say we want to add a task of speak at 5 events before the end of the year, right? So you can add that, and then here you can go through and go, so what are you going to do to get there? So this is your goal. Your goal is to speak at 5 events, but then what are you going to do to speak at the 5 events? Well, I'm going to make sure that I'm consistent on my social media every day. So we'll put social media daily. We put, what's another one we want to do? We want to go to networking events, right? We want to make sure that we are telling people that we speak. So making an image. So an image with, I hire me to speak. Hire me to speak. So you need to have someone create that image for you. So on and so forth. You kind of get the gist here. You go through and add those particular tasks, and then you have your own task board as well as the task board that I've given to you, and together we can both make it happen, right? So that is how you utilize to-do lists. I hope you found this useful and beneficial to you. I hope you're able to utilize to-do lists. There are a lot of different apps out there, so this isn't the only one, but I do like this particular app. It just helps me to see everything in alignment in one central place, and especially when I can share it, check it off, helps me move forward in my business. So I hope it will do the same for you in your business as well. So, all right. So I will look forward to speaking to you all soon. So remember to get out there. You are on fire. Your brand is on fire. So don't ask for anyone's permission. Get out there and give notice. Let them know they need to partner up with you or be left behind. Only you can put out your fire. All right. So you're on fire. Get out there and blaze a flame. Show your flame. I'm not sure what I was trying to say there, but you get it. Anyhow, just get out there. Only you can put out your flame, right? So you're on fire. So let everybody know around you that you are. All right. So that's it for me. I hope this was beneficial to you. If you have any questions or anything, then go ahead and email me at jawspeaks@gmail.com, or you can tweet me at jawspeaks as well. All right. See you guys on the next tutorial. Bye.